15 Steps on How Vespas Are Made. Welcome back to BIZNOB, where we delve into the inner workings of the world's most fascinating businesses. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive journey into the world of Vespa scooters. Ever wondered how these iconic scooters are crafted? From their sleek design to their efficient engines, we'll explore the meticulous process that goes into making each Vespa. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind one of the most beloved names in transportation. Let's get started. 1. Design and engineering. The process of designing a Vespa begins with extensive research and development to create a blueprint that balances functionality, aesthetics, and safety. Designers work closely with engineers to translate conceptual sketches into detailed technical drawings using computer-aided design (CAD) software. This stage involves brainstorming ideas, exploring various design concepts, and conducting feasibility studies to ensure that the final design meets the brand's standards and objectives. Once the initial design phase is complete, engineers conduct virtual simulations and prototypes to test the scooter's performance, durability, and safety features. This iterative process allows them to identify potential design flaws or manufacturing challenges and make necessary adjustments before moving to the production stage. 2. Material selection. Selecting the right materials is crucial for ensuring the quality and durability of the Vespa scooter. Engineers consider factors such as strength, weight, corrosion resistance, and cost when choosing materials for different components. Vespa scooters are renowned for their steel bodies, which provide rigidity and structural integrity while maintaining a lightweight design. High-quality steel alloys are selected for their strength-to-weight ratio, allowing for optimal performance and durability. In addition to steel, other materials such as plastics, rubber, aluminum, and composites are used for various components such as body panels, trim pieces, seats, and handlebars. Each material is chosen based on its specific properties and suitability for the intended application, ensuring that the scooter meets stringent quality standards and regulatory requirements. 3. Chassis fabrication. The chassis serves as the backbone of the Vespa scooter, providing support and structural integrity. In the fabrication process, 3 pieces of molded steel are joined together using robotic welding technology. These precision welds create a seamless and robust chassis that forms the scooter's foundation. The use of robotics ensures consistency and accuracy in the welding process, resulting in a high-quality finished product. After welding, the chassis undergoes additional processing steps such as rust-proofing, priming, and painting to enhance its durability and aesthetic appeal. This meticulous fabrication process is essential for ensuring that the Vespa scooter meets the brand's standards for quality, reliability, and performance. 4. Rust-proofing. To protect the steel chassis from corrosion and rust, it undergoes a specialized rust-proofing treatment. This involves applying chemical coatings or treatments to the metal surface to create a barrier that prevents moisture and oxygen from reaching the steel. Rust-proofing is especially important for scooters that are exposed to harsh environmental conditions such as rain, snow, and salt on roads. The rust-proofing process may include techniques such as electroplating, hot-dip galvanizing, or applying corrosion-resistant coatings. These treatments provide long-lasting protection against rust and corrosion, extending the scooter's lifespan and maintaining its structural integrity over time. 5. Priming. After rust-proofing, the chassis is primed to prepare it for painting. Primer serves as a bonding agent between the metal surface and the paint, ensuring better adhesion and durability of the finish. The primer also helps to smooth out any imperfections in the metal surface and provides a uniform base for the paint layers. Different types of primers may be used depending on the scooter's final color and finish. For example, a black or gray primer may be used for darker colored scooters, while a white primer may be used for lighter colored ones. The choice of primer is critical for achieving the desired color vibrancy and finish quality in the final paint job. 6. Painting. The painting process is a critical step in creating the iconic look of the Vespa scooter. Multiple layers of paint, including a base coat, color coat, and clear protective veneer, are applied to the primed chassis. Each layer is applied with precision to ensure even coverage and a flawless finish. Automated painting booths are used to apply the paint layers efficiently and uniformly, while skilled technicians oversee the process to ensure quality control. The paint is then cured by baking it in ovens at high temperatures, which helps to harden the finish and enhance its durability. Once cured, the painted chassis undergoes polishing to remove any imperfections and achieve a smooth, glossy surface. 7. Polishing. After painting, the chassis undergoes a polishing process to enhance its appearance and smooth out any surface imperfections. Skilled technicians use buffing machines and polishing compounds to achieve a high-gloss finish that improves the scooter's aesthetic appeal. This meticulous polishing process ensures that the paintwork is flawless and free of any blemishes or defects. Polishing also helps to protect the painted surface from environmental damage, such as scratches, UV exposure, and oxidation. By creating a smooth and reflective surface, polishing enhances the scooter's visual impact and contributes to its iconic look and feel. This attention to detail is essential for maintaining the brand's reputation for quality and craftsmanship. 8. Radiator system installation. The radiator system plays a crucial role in regulating the engine temperature and preventing overheating. During installation, technicians fit the radiator onto the chassis and secure it using mounting brackets and fasteners. They also connect the radiator's wiring and hoses to the vehicle's framework, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. The radiator system is essential for maintaining the engine's optimal operating temperature, especially during extended periods of use or in hot weather conditions. Proper installation and maintenance of the radiator system are critical for ensuring the scooter's reliability and performance on the road. 9. Engine assembly. The heart of the Vespa scooter is its engine, which provides the power and performance necessary for smooth and efficient operation. During assembly, technicians install the engine behind the passenger seat and bolt it to the steel framework of the chassis. This step requires precision and attention to detail to ensure proper alignment and attachment of the engine components. Vespa scooters are typically equipped with 4-stroke engines ranging in displacement from 50 cc to 300 cc, depending on the model and intended use. These engines are known for their balance of power, fuel efficiency, and low emissions, making them ideal for urban commuting and recreational riding. 10. Transmission installation. In addition to the engine, Vespa scooters are equipped with automatic transmissions that provide smooth and seamless power delivery. During assembly, technicians install the transmission alongside the engine and ensure that it is properly aligned and connected. Automatic transmissions offer ease of use and convenience, allowing riders to focus on the road without the need for manual shifting. The transmission system plays a crucial role in transferring power from the engine to the wheels, allowing the scooter to accelerate smoothly and efficiently. Proper installation and adjustment of the transmission components are essential for ensuring optimal performance and longevity of the scooter. 11. Steering column and front wheel assembly. The steering column, which includes the front brakes and wheel hub, is assembled next and inserted into its slot at the front of the scooter body. Skilled technicians carefully assemble the steering column and front wheel, ensuring proper alignment and attachment to the chassis. The front wheel, typically equipped with a larger 12-inch rim for added stability, is then installed and secured in place. The steering column and front wheel assembly are critical components of the scooter's steering and braking system. They allow for precise control and maneuverability on the road. Proper installation and alignment of these components are essential for ensuring the scooter's safety and performance. 12. Headlight and electrical systems. Vespa scooters are equipped with headlights and electrical systems that provide illumination and functionality on the road. During assembly, technicians mount the headlight onto the handlebar. and connect it to the scooter's electrical system. They also install other electrical components, such as signal lights, speed gauges, and wiring harnesses, ensuring that everything is connected correctly and functional. The electrical system powers various scooter accessories and features, including lights, indicators, and instrumentation. Proper installation and testing of the electrical components are essential for ensuring the scooter's safety and compliance with regulatory standards. 13. Final assembly and accessories. Once the major components are installed, the scooter undergoes final assembly, where trim pieces, accessories, and finishing touches are added. Technicians install the horn cover, trim pieces, and saddle, ensuring that everything is aligned correctly and secured. The saddle is mounted on a hinge over a storage compartment, providing both comfort for the rider and practical storage space for belongings. Accessories such as pop-out footrests for the passenger are also installed during this stage, enhancing the scooter's functionality and convenience. Skilled technicians pay close attention to detail during final assembly to ensure that every component is installed correctly and meets the brand's standards for quality and craftsmanship. 14. Buffing and polishing. Before the scooter is completed, it undergoes another round of buffing and polishing to enhance its appearance and finish. Skilled technicians use buffing machines and polishing compounds to achieve a high gloss shine and remove any surface imperfections. This meticulous process ensures that the scooter has a flawless and uniform finish, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and visual impact on the road. Buffing and polishing also helps to protect the painted surface from environmental damage, such as scratches, UV exposure, and oxidation. By creating a smooth and reflective surface, buffing and polishing contribute to the scooter's iconic look and feel, ensuring that it stands out from the crowd. 15. Quality inspection. The final step in the manufacturing process is a comprehensive quality inspection to ensure that the scooter meets the brand's standards for quality, safety, and performance. A team of skilled inspectors scrutinizes every aspect of the scooter, checking for any defects, flaws, or inconsistencies. They examine the chassis, engine, electrical systems, and cosmetic finishes to ensure that everything meets the brand's specifications. Only after passing this rigorous inspection is the scooter deemed ready for sale. This final quality check ensures that each Vespa scooter meets the brand's reputation for excellence and craftsmanship, providing customers with a reliable and high-quality product that they can trust on the road. Into the world of Vespa manufacturing. We hope you enjoyed learning about the intricate process and craftsmanship that goes into making these iconic scooters. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the fascinating operations of businesses around the globe. Leave us a comment below with what you'd like to see next on BIZNOB. Until next time, keep exploring the world of business from the inside out.